Bhag from class 10C from PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya Bhandup, Shift 1, Mumbai.
I am Arnav from class 10th D from PMC Kendriya Vidyalaya Bhandup, Shift 1, Mumbai.
So, hereby we propose and present a breaking through solution for humanity's most critical environmental crisis, land degradation. And the solution, very simple. Some artificial mimic, the biomimetical artificial root system. And we and a preview information. 1.5 billion people are affecting from land degradation, and the restoration cost per hectare is $15,221 billion dollars, and our system foundation just offers it in 500 for prevention, $500 for prevention.
This system is based upon the root nodules of trees. The root nodules of trees prevent soil erosion through prevention of detachment of soil particles by preventing optimal moisture of soil. Our system is constituting of some of the materials.
Polyvinyl alcohol, known as PVA,
which cost around rupees 185 rupees per kilogram,
which forms a flexible water matrix which absorbs the water in moisture. And the second material is polyethylamide, known as PEI,
which cost around 789 rupees per kilogram,
which is the cross-linking agent which enhances the adhesion of soil binding property and create a robust three-dimensional network. Lithium chloride, the third material, lithium chloride, provides ionic conductivity, which costs
around 250 rupees per kilogram.
And these compounds are integrated with polyacrylamide, which provides the soil binding property of the root, and polypropylene, which provides structural durability.
The result, fibers that are produced through this method are 1200 times stronger than the conventional methods and materials. The root artificial in the previous stages, the structure is in a needle form. When it absorbs moisture, it develops into a fibrous root nodule structure which absorbs the moisture from root and provide it minimal optimal moisture in the soil, which prevents the we can clearly see here that the needle is absorbing water from the soil particles which are holding water. Through obtaining the minimal moisture, the soil erosion is prevented.
The first thing is the infrastructure in which the building stands. The second is the RCC base, which is the concrete base, which is generally available and resulting in the an infrastructure. And beyond it, we have the third dimensional network, which is of the artificial roots, the polyfibers. These are moisture responsive needles, which are solid at room temperature, and when react with moisture, form the fibrous root system, like a tap root system, which would absorb water from the ground and act as a natural root system, which would also stabilize the buildings. And now the choice is clear. We found movement. The choice is clear. Continue building on unstable foundations or invest in innovative soil stabilization units that protect our critical infrastructure. This technology offers that path forward. Thank you.